They love it. Yeah, they have a great time, and they really enjoy.
They love it. They've done it before.
Yeah, we ride all the time. So this is like the grand finale of the summer. We ride all summer long. Let's go, girls. We gotta go. We got a race to win. Bye, guys. Thank you so much. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Have a gregreat time and
Say bye, Daddy.
be very careful. Watch out for your sister. Watch out for your sister. And just have a wonderful time and be careful. And stay with Daddy.
Okay.
Huh? Guess what? Next year you get to go to Hotter than Hell. You gonna come with me? Yeah? How many miles are you gonna do next year?
I go for
100 miles? Yeah. You gonna go with us to Hotter than Hell? I miss you. Oh, I love you so much. Tickle bug, tickle bug, tickle bug.
What are you doing? Henry! Can I give you the baby? The little baby?
Sure.
So I can get Timmy baby?
This is my youngest baby, Ava. She is 1 year old and a future Hotter than Hell competitor. Just gotta give her a few more years and she'll be in there with us. Right, Ava?
Have a fun day. I will.
Get out of here, little girl. You're not old enough for the Hotter than Hell yet.
Have a fun day.
That's gonna be a new hotel for the Hotter than Hell 100.
Whoa.
Pretty cool, huh?
Want a sticker?
Those are people from all over the world who came here to cycle the Hotter than Hell. Hey, how are y'all doing today? We are looking for last name Lazanas. Lazanas. We're here to ride Hotter than Hell.
Are you girls riding? Are you?
60 miles. 60 They're veterans.
Are you riding by yourself or is Dad?
Girls, look, we're gonna start here in town. And we're gonna ride all the way out. And then we're gonna cut over and go this blue line right here. And that's 100K.
100 miles?
Yep, and we're gonna go all the way through back to town. That's 100K, which is 62 miles.
Yep, she's a bearded dragon. Her name's Java. Oh, nice.
Hi, Java.
My brother played for them. Okay, there you go. How's that? Okay, don't lose any of those numbers because those have to go on the backs.
Put them all in the bags. Thank you, ma'am.
Mine on me.
All right, it went through.
Did you want that emailed or text?
I'm going to
You
try.
wanna put them on? Ooh, look how nice those are.
Don't enjoy your new glasses, okay?
You looking good, girl?
Have a nice day.
That's just replacing her arbor that she dropped.
That's okay.
Sponsors want the bikes on the starting line every morning looking perfect.
That makes sense.
For the press and for the TV.
That makes sense. We made it to the Homewood Suites. Back again. Let's go check in, girls. Hey, how are you? We are checking in for tonight and tomorrow night for the Hotter Than Hell. Looking good, Sophie. Keep going straight down the hallway. Yep. Big thing tomorrow, okay? It's decision time. Do we do 50 miles or do we go 60?
60. 60.
That's 100K. Are you ready for that? 100 kilometers. 62.2 miles, actually.
I want to do 50. Stop. Do you think you can pull us both?
I hope I can.
You have the extra food to do that.
I've worked very hard this year to be in great shape, so we'll see if Daddy's strong enough to. To Sophie's last Hotter Than Hell. Cheers.
That's all hard.
Well, girls, I just want to say one thing. I'm proud of each and every one of you for all the hard work you've done this year. All of y'all have done lots of rides and have worked very hard to get to where we're at right now. And we started off with the German Fest bike rally, and then we went to the Head for the Hills, and then we did the Peach Pedal.
I did peach pedal with you.
And did the Tour of Italia. And then I think you girls took it easy on these last few rides. So Daddy did a few rides without y'all. And here we are at the Hotter Than Hell. A great way to end a fantastic year of cycling. I love you girls. No matter what happens tomorrow, it's gonna be a great day. Look, there's our firstborn right there. Sophie Grace, look how cute she is. Let's go grab some fantastic breakfast for the Hotter Than Hell.
I think this breakfast will be a little better than last year's breakfast on the first day of the Hard Home.
Sure.
Because I think they'll look out.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
I think we have to go this way.
Here's this breakfast.
Morning, morning. Are you excited for this race today?
Yeah.
Tomorrow we can eat for 2 hours, but today only 6 minutes.
Good morning, Texoma. Tobin McDuff here in downtown Wichita Falls. It is time for the 41st annual Hotter Than Hell 100.
I'm MJ Baird, pleased to be alongside you this morning, Tobin. Get this, 41st annual Hotter Than Hell 100. Amazing.
Well, guys, like you were just saying, it's a fairly nice start to the morning. All the cyclists are lining up here right behind me, and it's a little bit of a humid start, though. Tobin was just saying, current temperature 72 degrees. Dew point, though, a little bit high, up at 69.
Hotter Than Hell 2022. Let's go. You ready, Sophie?
Yes.
All right, last Hotter Than Hell 100.
Groups, they lick their fingers, and the groups, they lick their knives. They spill their butts in the tablecloth.
Girls, how y'all doing back there? All right.
How's it? Pile on and you can just pull the extra 880 pounds, you'll never notice.
It's $50 an hour. 100 after mile 40.
I'd say as long as you give me the finish line, I don't care.
Right. So we are mile 15 and this year's hotter than hell. Probably in the best aerobic shape of my life. And I'm needing every square foot of air capacity in my lungs. Because these girls have eaten good this year and put on some good weight, making me work that much harder. But it's a beautiful day. I think high of 90, which for the hotter than hell is a beautiful day. No wind and just amazing countryside. Look at this right here. You gotta love that.
Rest to your left, keep going to your right. Please do not block the rest area entrance.
Okay.
Daddy, is it almost time to get in the pool?
Almost. We got 40 more miles.
Good.
Terry?
Yeah.
Are you part of the Air Force?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Awesome. Awesome. Well, I appreciate you. Terry helped us out today at mile 20. Say thank you, Terry.
Thank you.
All right, now we gotta go ride hard, okay, girls?
Izzy, what do you think of our trip so far? Do you think it's hot right now or is it cold? I think it's hot. Me too. That would be cold and cool. Yeah, we'll have a nice one cold. 40 more miles. Think we can do it? Yeah. Good.
The GoPro died, so we're gonna get some fantastic iPhone 13 footage here. Didn't pack enough batteries. Sophie, how you doing back there, baby? All right. Hot. 37 miles in so far. Cheers, bottoms up. Woo. Gentlemen, y'all having a good time today?
Oh yeah, not as much fun as you're having.
Oh man.
You're killing it out there, man. You're doing a great job. I see everywhere.
Are you doing the 100 mile, 100K?
100K.
100K, there it is.
Yeah.
Well, good riding, guys.
Thanks.
Did you post on Facebook?
Huh?
Did you post on the Facebook?
I did.
Yes.
Yeah.
Hope you had a good ride.
Oh,
so
it's
fun
been
to
great
see
so
you guys.
far. It's been great. 40 miles in, we're home stretch.
That's right. Good to hear them. I like hearing them in the porta potties. I've seen.
Daddy, are you there? Daddy, are you there?
I don't blame them at all.
Right? Girls, y'all ready? How was that porta potty over here? Good porta potty action?
Stop!
First of all, we just have to say thank you to these amazing volunteers here who helped us get all situated. Girls, are you ready to ride?
Yes.
20 more miles. Thank you all so much. We appreciate you. All right, we have a new pilot back there. Isabella Noel Lazanis is taking the lead. And she is pushing hard. Right now, I can feel the power. We're gonna get there real soon, girls.
With my superpower, I can have a superpower to make a bubble and save everyone. I can have a superpower to be invisible. I have a superpower.
All right, Sophie, this is mile 50 of your last hotter than hell. I'm a little sad.
I don't have one more mile, but we're doing.
We got 10 more miles.
You said one.
Oh no, I wish it was one. It is in fact 10 more miles. We're at mile 50 right now. Yeah. They have misters and snow cones here, girls. How about a snow cone and some misters?
What's misters?
It sprays a little water on you.
Okay.
Deal? Snow cone, Sophia?
Yes.
Let's go get one. I approve.
Yeah.
Just what I needed. Cheers, thank you so much. Girls, cheers. So good. One of the neatest things about the Hotter Than Hell 100 is the drive through this really awesome Air Force base.
Hey, way to go! Good job. Thank you both for coming. Thank you both. Cheaters, cheaters. Thank you all three for coming. Oh, that's so cute.
We survived the 2022 Hotter Than Hell, successful year, 100 kilometers in the books with my two daughters. Now it's time for the after party. North Texas Cycling puts on a fantastic after party extravaganza at, I think, a local pub this year. And we're gonna go hang out with all of our friends that we've ridden with all summer long at all the local events, and have some good dinner because we are starving, and end this fantastic cycling weekend with good food and good times.
Oh
my God!
What's up, you guys? Good to see you guys. You doing all right?
Hi, girls.
Probably good, yeah. Girls, what are y'all gonna eat tonight?
I don't know.
Let's look at the menu here. Oh, that looks delicious.
Sorry.
32.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
This one, so we're gonna
Yeah, that does sound
Yeah, he passed him out.
awesome.
Drives up here from Houston suffered because I didn't, you know, camps out or sleeps in the back of the
You guys did such a great job today. I'm glad you all came to dinner. That was wonderful. What did you guys eat? I love fried pickles. Right after a bike ride, that's the best thing, isn't it? I love it. Did you dip it in ranch? Yes. Oh my gosh, that is so awesome.
So,
you have good taste.
Tell her, say bye-bye.
Everybody just see you guys.
First place at the 100K today. I think I got last place.
His daughter's on the bike behind them, both of them. So yeah, that's fine.
First place, Scott. Yeah, he won't tell nobody, but he did.
I have to give Heather some money here.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you know, he owns 2 restaurants. You think he would understand this? You know?
Well, I just want to say thanks for putting the show on today. I appreciate it. It was great.
Well, thanks for
and the
being
daughters
here,
enjoyed it too.
Are y'all taking off?
Yeah, we're heading
Okay.
out.
Well, hey, appreciate it.
All right.
Always good to see you.
Scott, we'll see you at the next rally.
Yes, sir.
All right.
I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I found my place where I'm always feeling good. I'm feeling good. Look good, smell good as a vibe. Every time on my wrist is about that die. Gotta go big 'cause I got that. Gotta go big 'cause I got one life. I'm feeling good. Getting better. Feeling good. I can't let it go. I'm feeling good. 'Cause I never say never. 'Cause I find my place where I'm always feeling good.
Sophie, you did a great job peeing on the side of the road. I'm so proud of you.